What is up, y'all? It's Benjamin Outdoors. Today I'm headed to go recover a phone that was dropped off a dock not too long ago. He needs it back for insurance purposes. And I gotta try to do that within a few hours of buying a bike and going to work. So I only have a small time frame to get this done. Hopefully I can be quick, in and out, find it for him. So let's see if we can go do it. Here we are. It's nasty water.
It's about level. It might drop off a little bit, but like it was so deep. I mean, I was putting my hands like up underneath the dock to like hold myself underwater, you know?
Yeah.
And I was like walking around, like feeling my feet on the mud, but like
Yeah.
it was without goggles. Like, oh, here it is.
I'm sure it'll be pretty simple. It's a really easy point of reference with the dog.
No goggles, no light, no nothing. Just my bathing suit.
No.
So the reason why my metal detector is pinging right now is because there's metal rebar throughout all of the concrete. So anywhere on the concrete slab, it's going to be useless. So I had to just feel around it instead.
Jesus. I bet there's so much shit under there.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to call it
No?
because I found it. And it's still on. Hey, Apple did great on this waterproof, I'm telling you.
That's crazy.
Classy didn't, oh wow, and notifications coming out the wazoo now.
Because it's out of the water. What? Oh my god, it still works.
Props to Apple. That's awesome.
Ah.
Golly.
Wow. Wow. Bro. What
Oh,
the
yeah,
fuck?
it was in the mud.
I thought I felt it in the mud in my feet, but I went back. Was it buried or on top?
It was on top. Yeah, it was black.
I poured out the water literally 15 seconds ago. Like the speaker's a little muffled, but it's totally good. It was on. Haters, man.
Crappy rod, and Costas. That's not bad. I guarantee you there's a bunch of crap down there. Anything you want to say?
I don't know what to say, but this is crazy. The phone didn't even turn off.
I literally picked it up and it was on already. Like I picked it up and it illuminated on me underwater.
It's 7 hours.
That's
Notifications came on and everything. I didn't even turn it off. It's still on.
props
Taking pictures.
props to iPhone with that waterproofing. Works well.